Imagine a very quiet room. There is a clock on the wall. The second hand moves one small step at a time. It is almost silent. Each tick seems like a very small event. In this stillness, we can observe how large things begin. There is often a simple desire to understand how significant things are made. We look at a tall building or a deep lake. We wonder how they became so big. The main idea is that small actions build a cumulative effect. Resources build upon themselves over a very long period. It is a slow and steady process. Many people seek clarity in this quiet growth. Sometimes we feel a soft confusion because our daily efforts look small. We might look at a single unit of currency and think it does not matter. This is a soft, intellectual conflict. To understand how this changes, think of a dripping faucet. Imagine a large, empty bucket sitting under a tap. Every few seconds, one drop of water falls. One drop does not even cover the bottom of the bucket. If you look away for a minute, the bucket still looks empty. But the faucet does not stop. The drops are consistent. Over many hours, the water begins to pool. The level rises. The bucket eventually fills because the drops never stopped. The habit is the drop. The bucket is the total accumulation. The growth is a result of the faucet staying open. We can look at the math to see the scale. Imagine adding just one unit of a resource every day. After 1 year, you have 365 units. This is the result of simple consistency. But resources can also build on what was there before. This is the second part of the math. Imagine you have 1 unit. The system allows it to double once a year. In the first year, it becomes 2. In the second year, it becomes 4. By the third year, it is 8. The numbers start very small. They are almost invisible at the beginning. But as time passes, each doubling happens to a larger total. The scale only becomes visible after many years. This is the result of keeping the units together and letting them exist over time. The educational takeaway is a sense of calm clarity. Small habits are not about the size of the action today. They are about the frequency of the action over many days. Growth is a function of time and repetition. The initial stages are always quiet. We can accept that small steps are the foundation of larger totals. The logic of the system remains the same regardless of the starting point. It is a steady movement. Understanding the scale helps us view the quiet beginnings as a necessary part of the whole. This is the nature of cumulative growth. It is an observation of how small things become large through time. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.